Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can use Uniswap with your Trust Wallet. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along. So before starting, make sure that your Trust Wallet is installed, funded, and connected to Uniswap. This helps you to trade tokens safely and directly from your wallet. So the first thing you need to do is open your app.uniswap.org, and then you will tap connect wallet or just connect. So just click that button right here, and then what you will do is if it is already connected, or what you will do is basically just select trust wallet, and then the next thing that you will do is approve the connection in your trust wallet app. After that, you will click swap, which is right after the connection, by the way. You will click trade, and then you will look for swap, and then just go ahead and click it. And after that, you will choose the token that you would want to trade, and then the token that you would want to receive. So for example, I would want to trade ETH. I would want to sell my ETH, and I would want to receive USDT. And then what you will do is just that. And then of course you will enter the amount of what you would sell, and then you will review the estimated token amount and network fees, and finally you will just have to approve the transaction in your trust wallet and wait for blockchain confirmation. Double check the wallet address before confirming. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.